Baby, anong kinakain mo? What are you eating?
Fruit with dipping.
That is vegetable. Lettuce and
Carrot.
carrots. She got a healthy living food. Mommy got corn, egg.
Mom, I always just love carrots. It's
Carrot.
my favorite.
Yeah.
I like salad.
Mommy is eating bagels and drink coffee and egg with onions and what is this? Corn. Then si baby may ano siya? Dino juice. Squincer. Yan. That's our food for today.
And it's time for a zipper day.
Yeah, it's time to eat. Yeah, we're going to eat some corn. That makes you yummy. It's raw.
And then I'm gonna do this.
Show them about what you eat. You have lettuce and dip it in a dressing.
And dipping too. Dippy.
There. Show them. That's she dip in there.
But it's very spicy, but I love it with spicy, but I always love dressing with spicy. Just a
Then
little.
give me your drink.
My Spencer. And look how they do. Look how we do.
Blah 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 blah.
With tea fresh. I keep saying this tea fresh, right, Mom? I keep doing that every time.
Eat your vegetables. Done.
Let's bring vegetable about it. Come on. Get a carrot. Come on, get a carrot.
It's going so hard.
Get it.
Yum. I cook this egg. I cook it like this way because I don't put that much salt. It's not good for my my habit. So I cook this way. I put just a little salt, sometimes no salt. I mix the egg first and then I added
Doggy and
what is that? Onion. I added the onion. Oh, that's so dangerous. Sit down. Sit properly.
I'm trying to sit down, but my eyes are around.
Sit down. I added the onion and then
Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this.
don't do that. You will get hurt. I added the onion and then we call this cheese. My husband love it. He love it. He love also the way I cook, like make it like black or charred or something. How do you call that? He won't like that. Mas healthy kay baby. Mas healthy ang food niya. Kasi may lettuce pa siya.
I love pom-pom.
My carrots din. But I still feed her with this kind of food. What's amazing? Because
I always
she still
love
needs
eggs.
some carbs.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
what's carbs?
Carbs turns into sugar. And when it turns to sugar to your body, it becomes an energy. So that help you have more energy the whole day.
Oh.
That's why you
That's
still
why.
need.
That's why I need.
You need some
food.
carbs. Yeah, that's why we need some food, and it should be that we will eat
Mama,
it
I
balanced.
want eggy.
See that? You love that egg, right? Mmm. Want to eat some. Oh. Fell? No. Yeah. Protein. Need some carbohydrates. Turns into sugar. And turns into energy.
But it don't turn to energy. It's just food. But wow, but it's not different.
Well, everything we eat turns into energy. Because if we don't eat and we don't drink, we don't have that much energy in our body.
Mm.
So we're tired all the time. Even if you don't do anything and you did not eat, so you feel tired. What is the word of the day for today? Hail, right? Hailstorm. Have you seen the hail today? This morning. Hail is as tiny eyes, right? Or there are some that are like a big moon. In the hailstorm. So I will put hail in here. Hailstorm. Yeah, who made the word fart in here?
Yes, well.
So since we have lightning here, and we will add the rain, so it seems like a hailstorm, right? Put hail. We will make a big letter H. Where's the big letter H? Big letter A. Then big letter I. And big letter L. Hail. Then letter S. T. We need to find big letter T. And O. Then big letter R. R. Big letter R. Can you help me find the big letter R? Can find it. Storm and M. Letter M. See, hailstorm. Okay, read this letter.
H-A-I-L.
Hail.
Hail.
This one.
S-T-O-R-M.
Storm.
Storm.
Hailstorm. Did you experience a hailstorm?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, today, right? Hailstorm. This is our word for today. It's 2 words, right? Hail, storm.
Hail.
Storm. Hail,
Hail,
storm. H-A-I-L. Okay,
H-A-I-L. Hailstorm.
storm. Okay, this one.
S-T-O-R-M.
Storm.
Storm.
Read it.
Hail. Storm.
Oh, see that? So smart. You know how to read.